Hi, this is Sami. As promised, I said I will do first year calculus. So here's implicit differentiation. Find dy dx by implicit differentiation. So there are a few things that we should know here. I think the first thing is when you're doing the derivative, you're doing it with respect to x. So it's dy dx, so it's with respect to dx. So every time you take the derivative of x, you don't have to write anything after it because it will be dx over dx, and that's why you don't have to write dx over dx is 1, so you don't have to write anything. But when you take the derivative of y, when you finish doing the power rule and stuff, you'd have to say dy dx because it is with respect to dx. The next thing is if y equals fg and you're doing y prime, which is the derivative, then it's f prime g plus g prime f. So basically, we have to apply this rule right here to this because this is a product, and this we call this the product rule. Now, let's start doing this. So let's start doing the derivative of this. When you're doing the derivative of x cubed, it's going to become 3x squared dx. We don't have to write that. Plus, when you take the derivative of 3y cubed, so the power rule gives you 3y squared. And now it's dy dx, or you could just write y prime, the same thing, equals, now the derivative of 3x is 3 times y squared, because we're going to assume that f is 3x and g is y squared in this situation here with the product rule. So 3 times y squared, the derivative of f times g, plus the derivative of g, which is 2y, and you have to say dy dx or y prime if you wish, times f, which is 3x. Now here we have 3x squared plus 3y squared y prime equals, I'm just going to simplify this, 3y squared plus 6xy and then y prime. Now, at this stage, you want to bring everything that has a y prime to one side and anything that doesn't have a y prime to the other side. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3y squared y prime minus 6xy y prime equals 3y squared minus 3x squared. Take out y prime as the greatest common factor, and you're going to get 3y squared minus 6xy equals 3y squared minus 3x squared. Now y prime would equal, you divide both sides by this, and you'll end up with 3y squared minus 3x squared over 3y minus 6xy, which equals, you could divide, since all of them have coefficients that go into 3, so you could divide everything by 3, and you end up with y squared minus x squared over y minus 2xy. And I think we'll leave it like this. Again, y prime just means dy dx. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.